Here's a quick tip for polar tracking functionality. If I'm drawing a line with Control middle button and I want to go 45 degrees, I could just draw a line and then use the RO rotate command and do 45D to make it 45 degrees. Or I could click this polar tracking here, which is also F10. You can toggle it on and off with F10. And it will automatically snap to the 45 degree marks and 90 degree marks. And so I can go in this direction and I could say 100 feet. And now that's exactly 45 degrees and 100 feet long. I could also, there's other settings here. If you click this drop down menu, you could do every 30 degrees, every 22 and a half. And so for instance, this would give you, the places in between the 45 degrees. So there's a lot of different options there. Play around with it. I recommend just starting with the 45 degree. And whenever you want to, draw something 45 degrees, you can just toggle that on and draw your line and then go back to turning it off. And that's it for today.